Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with the great health. I am here with my new video, and in this video you'll see some mixed type of heel. From mixed type I mean some high pencil heel and some block heel and platform heel in really beautiful design and really different color combination that look really nice and that look really amazing with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more beautiful. And as you know, heels are timeless fashion, it's never end. You can wear heel like in your every occasion and it looked really pretty. And as you see, like there's a lot of color combination that look really different and that look really unique and that look really beautiful with your all type of all color, all different color of outfit, like which type of color of outfit you'll wear. These heel look really beautiful with every color. And as you see, this one is also really beautiful, two shades and that look really amazing, really beautiful fabric, that look really pretty and that look really nice. And as you see, this one is also really beautiful combination. It's a very beautiful and amazing collection if you are looking more comfortable options but are a great choice. They provide stability and support, and high heel can instantly elevate any outfit. And as you see, this one is also really nice, yellow and a really light color combination that look really pretty. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next video. So Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.